Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Kim Tai palette in collaboration with Deck of Scarlet. So if you guys would like to see that, then please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raben Taylor and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and let's get right into this review. Kim Tai is a really good YouTuber. She does mukbangs, clothing hauls, and makeup tutorials. I love her personality. She's just an awesome person that I'm actually subscribed to. If you're watching this, Kim, hey girl. First off, I just want to say thank you to Deck of Scarlet for reaching out to me to do this video. Deck of Scarlet is a makeup subscription, so every 2 months they send you a new palette with all the makeup that you need for a full face, which is so convenient, so you can just get everything in one. You guys like my nails? Matches my outfit. It costs less than one product you'll probably get at Sephora or MAC or some super high-end store, but these are really good quality makeup that they're sending you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. Oh, they sent me a little note. It says, Robin, enjoy your new Deck of Scarlet palette. XO Team Scarlet. It has this really cute packaging right here, and then you're just gonna slide it off. This is so cute. And I love the feel of this. It's very nice and velvety. And then when you open it, ooh, oh my goodness. This is really pretty. Oh, these are really nice colors. So I'm just gonna open this and slide this off, and all of the shadows look really pretty. This season palette come with 3 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight, and some lip creams / lipsticks that are so pretty. I cannot wait to try these colors on. These colors are super pretty for like a date night or a nice summer fling type of party-ish. But these colors are really nice. These are colors that I would wear. Whether you want to be full-on like glam or you want to be a little more subtle, these colors are really sweet. Or really nice. Was that the correct adjective? Either way, it's cute. So let's go ahead and let's start applying this. So I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here, and this is Myth. And I'm gonna use that as my transition color. You know when you're going out or you're going to somebody's house and like you forget all of your makeup and then you're just like, dang, we're gonna go out that same night but I have nothing? This is like a palette to keep in your purse so you can always like vamp up your look. Cause right now I just have a subtle, like barely any makeup on. I just have like foundation and concealer, but I did nothing to my eyes, and this is really pretty. And I'm just gonna rub that all over my eyelid. I'm gonna create a very nice soft look. This is also really nice for like for summer parties and stuff, like when you're going to the beach or you're going to a pool party. Ooh. For $29.95 for every other month, that's like $14.99 a month for like really great palettes that you're probably gonna spend anyway, if not more. So I think this is really nice. This powder is almost like very nice and velvety. Now I'm gonna go into Crown, and Crown is this color right here. And I'm gonna add that to my transition color. Ooh, this is pretty. And for all you ladies who travel a lot, this is a good palette to take with you. Okay, and now I'm gonna use, oh, I love the name. I'm gonna use Enchanted, and that's this nice champagne rose goldish color right here. And I'm gonna apply that all over my lid with the same brush. This is a type of shimmer shade where you can apply it by itself all over the lid and it will look really pretty. And I like how this palette has shades that will go nicely on every skin tone. That's really pretty. Okay, so now I'm done with the eyes. Let me just go ahead and apply some lashes, and we're gonna move on to the face and the lips. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dip into this blush right here, and this blush I believe is Tiara or Tiara? How would you pronounce that? Oh wow, do you see that? That's really pigmented. Ooh, that's a really high pigmented blush. It's a really nice soft pink. This is nice. So now that we have the blush on, I'm gonna go ahead and try this highlighter right here, Fairy Dust. It's a very nice champagne colors, and that's super pigmented. So I cannot wait to apply that to my cheekbones. So I have no highlight on. Wow, do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. It feels like butter. This is really, really soft. Okay, again, no highlight on, and one swatch, your highlight's there. It's so pretty. Wow. Yeah, you just need a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go a little bit obsessed with this and put some on my chin, cubic bow, and lips, a little bit on my forehead, and then I'm gonna put some on my nose to highlight the bridge. So my face looks a lot better with the highlight. It looks a little more chiseled and contoured. This is really nice. Do you see how my face just literally went from like no makeup and like I had makeup on, but it just looked like, oh cool, cute, to like bam, she's hot. So I'm gonna go in with the lipsticks now, and to be honest, I think they read my mind because these colors are perfect, especially when I'm doing an ombre lip. So let's go in, girl, let's go in. So I'm gonna go into this Maiden color right here, and that's like a fuchsia. I'm gonna go in with that color and line my lips low-key. That's a really nice color too. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ombre it with Kiss, and that's this color right there. This is so pretty. Oh, do you see this? I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss, and this is Love Spell, and it's really, really pretty. This is like a nice shimmery rose gold and champagne lip gloss, and I see like a bunch of shimmer in it. So I'm really, really excited to try this, especially to put this over what I already have. Let's try this. Oh, I love this mirror. It's so convenient. Oh my gosh, it smells like cupcakes. But it's so pretty. I feel like, aw, look at me. Okay, I need to take a bunch of selfies. Like a lot after I'm done working. If you're a first-time subscriber, you don't have to get a new palette that they just launched. You can get whatever palette that you want to start off with, but like I said, it's only $29.95 every other month, so this is a great deal, and it did my whole face. Also, if you're not up to it anymore, you could just cancel at any time. Like, it's not a big deal, but I definitely recommend everybody at least go try this once. So go ahead and click the link down below so you can get subscribed. I honestly think this is a great palette to go on vacation with. Like, comment down below where you guys are going on vacation this summer, because I need a life and I need to experience new things. So comment down below that. But you guys should definitely check the link down below. You get 30% off with the code BERRY. Hey Berry, who's your Berry? I'm your Berry. They've done palette collaborations with Sandra Deluxe, Babs Beauty, like, and so many more. So definitely go check out the link and see which one you want to start off with. Again, I just want to say thank you to the Deck of Scarlet for reaching out to me. I'm so honored and like, what? Me? Little old me? Thank you. Deck of Scarlet is cruelty-free and paraben-free, and there's free shipping to USA, Canada, and the UK, which is like really awesome. The fact that they're gonna ship to the UK for free, like, that's overseas, so good job, you guys. Again, the link is down below. Make sure you guys use the code BERRY to get 30% off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so, so much. Make sure you subscribe, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.